Hi, I'm Jeanet Wade, certified EOS Implementer out of St. Louis, Missouri. And today I'd like to share with you about the 3 uniques that are within the marketing strategy. So first, to set some context, within the Vision Traction Organizer, the VTO, there are 8 questions to be answered, and one of those is your marketing strategy. And within marketing strategy, there are 4 elements to that. The second element being, what are your 3 uniques? What I want to share with you today is what's not unique about your 3 uniques. So I've sat through a lot of leadership team discovery sessions and building those 3 uniques in Vision Building Day 1 or Vision Building Day 2 with a team. And often what will happen when we get to the 3 unique section is they will share permission to play uniques. Meaning they will share, well, what makes us unique, Jeanet, is we've got 30 years experience, or we've got great service, or our quality is really unique. And while those may seem unique, your customers already expect that from you. They expect that from you and your competitors. So it's actually permission to play in your industry. So what truly makes you unique is what should be in your 3 uniques. That's what differentiates you in your marketing strategy. So you need to really challenge yourself and ask why. So if you want to say, we think experience makes us unique, what behind that experience really is what makes you unique? Or do you have a unique intellectual property as an organization that could set you apart from your competitors and truly differentiate you? That could be one of your uniques. Or a special process or an approach to doing business that they don't know about, instead of just saying we're great at service. So what do you really do that truly sets you apart? Sometimes you'll have to use a 5 why exercise. If you say, we think teamwork, service, experience, quality, all those kind of generic things set you apart, ask why 5 times until you get to the true, deeper, unique. And I think you'll find things that truly differentiate you as an organization and set you apart and make your marketing strategy much stronger versus just answering the question. So again, within your marketing strategy, you want to get to 3 uniques. And sometimes when we say uniques, you don't really take that seriously. It really is what makes you unique. So dig deep, find out what that unique, special characteristic is in your organization, and share it with the world.